Okay, doing my first video here with the Canon 90D, trying to kick up the production value a little bit, learning from other YouTubers. Anyways, I have just turned it on. Don't even know how it works completely yet. All the features, there's a lot. Got the video going, and I was curious about the onboard mic. So here's the onboard mic. Next I'm going to patch in, because it has a microphone input, the Rode shotgun. Anyways, here's the onboard mic. Okay, here is the old shotgun, the Rode shotgun mic. And again, the Canon 90D has the microphone input, headphone output, so that's vital for me to monitor your sound. Anyways, here's the shotgun. Okay, here's the Rode wireless Go. I did a separate video on that, so I won't go totally into the details. This is just more of a little audio check. See how this microphone sounds versus the shotgun and the onboard mic. Okay, 30-40 feet away from the camera, testing the Go wireless 2, and simultaneously trying to connect via Wi-Fi to the camera. I did do that and upgraded the firmware first thing out of the box. Anyways, that's probably a different video, a different subject. Totally mastering the app and the Wi-Fi. This is a more test of the camera and the Go wireless too. Okay, using the app. That was pretty easy. So I got my phone as a viewfinder. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm totally using my phone as a viewfinder, and I have a bunch of controls. Still got the Rode wireless mic on. It's pretty cool.